Can you use Safety Toolkit feature on Lyft? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, you're going to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft app, you'll be able to see your home page like this. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to simply request a ride over here. Tap on where are you going over here. And by doing so, you'll be able to see your ride options. Select one of the ride options and tap on request Lyft. And once you have done so, you'll be able to see your ride over here. And once you have started your ride, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on this safety option over here, or you'll be able to see some kind of safety toolkit. And the available tools may include share trips, emergency assistance, ride check, and emergency contacts. You want to simply select the feature that you want to use as your safety toolkit, and this is how you'd be able to use the safety toolkit feature on Lyft. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.